I'm Helen McVeigh. I teach ancient Greek, and I'm here to tell you about the Belfast Summer School in Latin and Classical Greek. This is an intensive course which takes place at Queen's University Belfast in July each year. Students take either Latin or Greek at beginners, intermediate or advanced level. No prior knowledge is expected for beginners, but we do ask that those wishing to learn ancient Greek familiarise themselves with the alphabet, and students are provided with a worksheet to help them. Intermediate classes will cover grammar, and classes are tailored according to the abilities of the students. Advanced students will read a text in the original Latin or Greek, and grammar will be explained as it arises. This year, the summer school starts on Monday the 20th of July. Students can attend for 1 week or 2, and all participants receive a certificate of attendance. As well as language classes, there are guest lectures, a summer school dinner and an outing. So if you'd like to know more about the summer school, you can write a comment or drop me a line and I'll get back to you. And if you're especially interested, a winter refresher day is happening on Saturday the 25th of January at Queen's University Belfast. Why not give it a go? Look forward to seeing you.